guys, Nadine Soto, and my project is on animal behaviors, basically on elephants. Elephants' instincts are the strongest in mammals, but they also have a really strict social structure, which is part of their instinct. It's when the females and the males separate until like mating season or something. And the females are more loving and caring since they have to be mother role models. And they have one of the best memories out there known to man. Standardized Training and Reinforcement System, or other known as STARS, is actually what considers for the classical conditioning and operant conditioning. It's the training of elephants that they may do tricks such like a circus kind of thing. So they are able to do something like this, they're able to sit up, but STARS are able to actually notice when they've been abused since they get scared to when they say they do a trick wrong. They react, so it takes a little longer for them to adapt. Survival response for an elephant is pretty simple. They just mainly have defensive moves, and the females use like these certain things to communicate when they're far away from each other. Some defensive moves are stomping their feet, swing their trunk, using their tusk. And then they have chemicals to communicate for the females. It's this little chemical, I'm not quite sure how it works, but it's pretty cool. You just set off the chemical and you smell it. And then there's this little sound that we humans can't hear, but that's how they communicate, and it's pretty cool. Elephants, they don't hibernate, they only migrate, and it's mainly for food sources, and they can't live up to 1 day without water. So they have this extra sense that helps them find it, which is kind of like a mutation, I guess you could say, because it's the one thing that they're able to do. They're able to locate water when it's miles and miles and miles away. Observational learning for elephants differ between the sexes. Females give more care and find food and save in a safe environment for their young, since they have to look after the young. And males, they just mainly have to learn how to defend themselves and find food. So the main behaviors you find in elephants, in a female group, you'll find the alpha female, who is pretty much like the great-great-great-grandma from previous years who started it and then finish it. They're very territorial over their food, their land, and their mates. They're very antisocial with the opposite sex when it comes to caring, but they mate, of course, obviously. And they have altruistic behavior, which means the mothers always care for the young, always, no matter what. And that's pretty much it.